Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video tutorial I am going to be using these Ninja transfers, and it's just a quick tutorial on how to apply them and how to make your DTF gang sheet. So I'm on ninjatransfers.com website, and I'm gonna go right here on the DTF transfers, and I'm going to use their free DTF gang sheet online builder. And what's cool about this is that they have it here on their website. I found it to be very convenient. So here's different sizes, and there's a standard and glitter. I'm going to pick the standard, and I'm going to do 22 inches in width by 120 inches. So I'm just going to select a few images, and they will all upload on the side right here. Okay, so I'm going to insert my first image, and this one that I did in the video tutorial. If you like this PNG, I did draw it and I designed it. So if you like it and you want to support me, you could purchase it on my website. Use the code YouTube25 to get 25% off of your digital order off of my website. Okay, so once I click on the image, it automatically places it on top left corner, and I'm going to put width 10.5. Once I do that, the height automatically adjusts because of this little lock button. And now I'm going to do my second image, and I'm going to do the same thing where I want it to be 10.5 inches. And the cool thing is that it would tell you if it's overlapping or not. So there you have it. There's two really large images. This is perfect for large, extra large t-shirts. I like to have the huge print on a small shirt, big shirt, doesn't matter. And then I wanted to make one for my husband, like really big, for a double XL t-shirt, but I wanted it to be super oversized, and I made it 21 inches, and I just love that I have that option. I did 7 inches, and you could duplicate if doing this for a business, and it automatically moves them around, but you could also move them around yourself, and you could fit 3 images like that. And once you're done with everything, you save it and add it to cart. All right, so I received my package, and I got the 22 inch by 120, and I made like a ton of the transfers, and I had some room, so I added a bunch of of my tags for my shop, and I did already cut it out, but look how giant this thing is. We are repainting our house, don't mind the mess, but here it is, and it's a lot. And I could have fit more images, but I wanted the oversized print on mine, my kids, and my husband's tees, so I made them like extra large. Okay, and I don't have one of those clamp key presses. I have an easy press from HTV Ron. I linked in the description below. And here's my little heat pad from Quick Gut. So you would just need this, and then you would place the shirt on top. I'm gonna use a parchment paper because I accidentally heat pressed this sublimation thing to this on top of vinyl. So whatever's pictured on here, it does transfer to my fabric. So this is the only reason why I have this paper right here. Anyway, so I'm gonna do that and place my shirt. And I'm using the Gildan Soft Style. This is size extra small. And they also have these shirts available for purchase on their website as well. And I'm just gonna heat this. This is a new shirt. I didn't wash it. Usually I pre-wash my shirts. Sometimes it's good to lint roll your stuff so there's nothing on the shirts. This is so my thing is in the center. Okay. And you could use a Teflon sheet or parchment paper or this paper that comes with the package with the Ninja transfers. Here we go. It's on top. Okay, and this is a cool peel, so you have to wait till it's fully cooled down. Okay, so it's cool, and I'm gonna peel it off. Look, it's flexible, it's movable, it's very light. So I did add puff vinyl to it. And it's like a little 3D. I love it. It looks so cool. But anyway, these colors are so vibrant. The Ninja transfers. This is in a light pink, Gildan soft style. This is an extra small. My 3-year-old fits in there. She wears a 3 to 14. And I mean, the colors are so bright. The light in my room sucks. Anyway, it's super soft. Look, you can wrinkle it, bend it. You can also get tags for your clothes from Ninja transfers. DTF transfers are literally kind of like the best option to make tags. So I ordered a few just to sample it first and to sample my sizes. So I made a bunch of little tags. I did them in white and pink, and it's great on really dark fabrics. I have this one. There's no temperature on there. So I'm gonna just turn it on all the way to the third one. Once it's green, it's ready to go. And I actually don't use a heat pad for these. I use my head wrap boards. Okay, so for this one, I'm just gonna lay it down flat. Place this down. Here's the paper that came in with the Ninja transfers. I'm just gonna cut a piece. That's all I need. I'm gonna place this over. My iron is heating up, so for this one, the way I do it, because it is porous, like it has little holes in it, this little mesh fabric. So I'm just gonna get this, and so the Ninja transfers, it does come with one giant sheet, but if you don't have it, you could use parchment paper. I had this roll for like ever and ever. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut 2 pieces. I'm gonna place one inside. Okay. My iron is ready, so it's green. I'm just gonna place it right over. So these tags, I did 2 by 2 inches exactly. And this iron fits perfectly right on top. So I'm just gonna hold it down in about like 30 seconds in my hand. Again, you have to let it cool down. Okay. All right, and this one, I'm gonna place it on top. And then this one I did 2 inches by 3. And the thing is that it is a little bigger than this. So honestly, this is what I do. And it will work. It needs to be fully cooled down. And I'm gonna take out this paper underneath and let it cool down. This one's done. It's not even warm. You don't want these little tiny letters when it's like that. You don't want it to be warm at all when you peel it off. You want it to be fully cooled down. So if you have a bunch, just do a bunch of them before peeling them off. Look at this. And like, it's so tiny, I can't even feel the letters. It's awesome. And you could stretch it. You could wash them. And you could do really tiny letters, like literally as tiny as you want, with a lot of details, different colors. I just like it super simple. Okay, this one's fully cooled down. I did super tiny lettering, and it's cursive. It just says, "Thank you for supporting my small shop." Here it is. Okay, and then this is like a little bit of a hack for these large images. A lot of heat presses, the clamp ones, are usually by 15 by 15. You could get a giant one larger than that. I think it becomes like even more expensive. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one with my regular easy press because it has spaces in between. This image is really easy to work with, and I'm just going to cut it. I'm gonna cut it in this weird angle. So once I'm done heating this up, I could literally place this like a little puzzle and match it up. Okay, so this is a soft style Gildan shirt. They also have them on Ninja Transfer's website as well. Really low prices. And I did pre-wash the shirt. I wanted to pre-wash it so it could shrink because it is cotton. And that's the cool thing about Ninja Transfers. These DTF transfers, they go on any kind of fabric. It doesn't have to be polyester. Could be cotton, bamboo, synthetic fabrics, natural fabrics. So that's the awesome thing. Here's the image that's gonna go on it. And I'm actually gonna use the sizing. And I don't want it all the way up to my neck. All right. What? I'm gonna match this like a little puzzle. Same thing again.